Hello, welcome to another video from Patendera Academy. This is a video of enlargement. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to describe completely enlargement. So enlargement is a type of transformation that changes the size of a shape. In this case, the shape is changed in size. Okay, the shape is enlarged by a scale factor. Okay, so how do you find this scale factor? Scale factor equals to distance of the image from the center of enlargement over distance of the object from the center of enlargement. So let us try to do a question to apply this concept of finding the scale factor, and also you have to notice that the size of a shape is going to be changed. Okay, so here's the question. Describe completely what maps triangle A onto triangle B. So for us to prove that this is the enlargement, you have to join corresponding points and they have to meet at a certain center. Okay, so let us join corresponding points. Okay, so this is the center. So to describe the enlargement, you have to describe saying enlargement center 60 scale factor Okay, scale factor a formula equals to distance of the image from the center. So from this point to this point, let us count the squares. This 10, 20, 30 squares over distance of the object from the center. So from this point to the image, there are almost 10, 15. So 15 into 30, that is 2. So it's enlargement center 60 scale factor 2. That is how to describe completely enlargement. Another way of finding scale factor, you can just dividing the image distance over the object distance. Let us take this side. From this point to this point, there are almost 10, 20 squares. Over from this point to this point, there are almost 10 squares. So 10 into 20 equals to 2. That is also another way of finding the scale factor. Okay, so it's enlargement center 60 scale factor 2. So that's it for today, for this tutorial. I hope you have learned how to describe completely enlargement. Okay, another question concerning transformation. Describe completely what maps triangle A onto triangle B. There is change in size. Triangle A was big, and now triangle B is somehow small. So let us join corresponding points to prove if this is enlargement or if this is a stretch. So Okay, how do you recognize that these are the corresponding points? This was the right angle, and this is also the right angle. So this is a way of you recognizing corresponding points. All right. So points is met at this. So you have to say this is enlargement. Okay, center 4.2 scale factor. Okay, so how do we find the scale factor? It's distance of the image from the sender over distance of the object from the sender. So B is the image, triangle A is the original one, B is the image. So from the sender to this image, for example, there are 5 squares over. From this point to the object, there are almost 10 squares. So 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 10, 2. So that is half. But now the sender is in between the object and the image. So that makes the scale factor negative. When the sender is in between the object and the image, the scale factor will be negative. So the final answer is enlargement sender 4.2 scale factor minus half. When the sender is in between the object and the image, the scale factor will be negative.